good afternoon, guys. Yeah, we're out here already. We're just going to the grocery, buy something. Also, we're just going to have a look outside. It is windy this time, cloudy, and the temperature is just right. Oh, that guy is on a bike. His helmet has this kind of zip lock, protection from the mud bike. Nice. It's good to see people on the bike. We're going to eat something from this Dolphin Watch Cafe. Maybe banana bread. I am craving for something, I don't know exactly. Oh, I just stopped and they are actually closed already. And this is how it is in here. There are some people over there. Yeah. And yeah, also here is like that. Very windy. The bird is flying against the wind. It's like he's playing with that. We're just going to buy a cup of coffee somewhere around here, and then we go back to the marina. Oh, but it's now raining a little bit. Yeah, I saw one lady in here. She picked one flower. She smelled and then she threw it. Like she's not impressed with the smell of the flower. Yeah. Okay, I got this cup of cappuccino and this banana bread. We're going to eat it somewhere in the bay. Okay, we're going to be staying here. There's not so much people at the moment. There is just a small family in the children's playground. And it is low tide at the moment, you notice. And we're going to have this banana bread. This is a toasted banana bread. We also have banana bread in our breakfast menu. Mitchell, one of the guy in our kitchen. Yeah, he's the one who doing that. And whenever there is end of the banana bread, he is always asking me, Robbie, you want this? I said yes. Yeah, and I eat it during my break time. Not every day. Oh, it is now 5:16, and according to the forecast, there will be a storm, severe thunderstorm warning for heavy rainfall for Hunter region. Yeah, by 6 o'clock, and 7 p.m. will be back to normal, and there is just a 40% chance of rain by 6 p.m. Oh, look at that! There is a lovers. They are having their wine by the beach. Nice. Actually, we are going home now. I don't want to be trapped in the rain. Okay, still there is no rain. Yeah, and we are going inside. This lemon, this is $4.90 per kg. Okay, so I took 6 pieces. We are also going to take this ginger. This $55 per kg. Just this small one. And we're going to try this stir fry mix vegetable, $3.50. Oh, we're going to try this Thai green curry, honey mustard chicken. What else? Chinese no, this one. Chicken teriyaki. 3 pieces is $6. Oh, I mentioned in the previous vlog that yeah, in some Woolworths there are Filipino products. Also, I saw it in the vlog of Bisdak Aussie. Yeah, he showed the town hall. Yeah, the town hall Woolworths. They have Filipino products. But in here, nothing. Oh, this is going to be our dinner. Yeah, this is Japanese ramen, and it's just $5. Regular price is $7.50. I'm going to try this one, butter chicken with rice. Just $3. Home brand. Yeah, I got everything in the bag. Oh, you know, when you move here in Australia, one of the first things that you're going to notice, I mean, yeah, obviously, very obvious that you're going to notice that the cars, they always give way to the people in the pedestrian. Even if the people is still a little farther from the pedestrian area, but yeah, and the car is always giving way first. So it's like the people are more priority to go through first. Yeah, you'll notice that. I remember I had a conversation in one local couple. They said they went to Vietnam and they are surprised that they can't go through the other side of the road because the cars are not giving way. And I said that's the same to the Philippines, the same in Southeast Asia. But when I went to Europe, I didn't notice that. But I think most Western country, they are like that, like here in Australia. I don't know about America, but I never noticed that in Southeast Asia or yeah, anywhere else. Okay, we are now home. It is already 6:15. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, nice today, sunny and windy. Hello. Even if I don't, good afternoon. Even if I don't see the people down there, I can say that there are many people in the beach because there are so many cars. Also, I can see the umbrellas. Yeah, the head of the people in the beach. Nice. Oh, maybe those couple, they know me. Yeah, because when I look at them, they are looking at me and they wave their hand. I signed out already 2:30 because I finished doing the spring roll. Yeah, duck spring roll and money bag. You know the money bag? Yeah. Yeah, I made 200 pieces spring roll and 170 pieces money bag. And I did that for 2 hours. Oh, actually 2.5 hours. Yeah, that's why I signed out already 2:30. Heart and soul. And this is how it is at the moment. Yeah, it is low tide. There are some people near the water. There are some people doing some kind of kayak, paddle boarding, and some windsurfing and boating. There are 2 boats in there, and some are just yeah, relaxing by the beach. Nice life. Okay, we go. And as expected, there are many people in here. Nice, relaxing, sunbathing, playing in the water. Oh, sorry, Ron. Take me to your heart, show this time, let me play. Yeah, there's some kind of family gatherings at the moment. Really nice, big group. I just got home and I'm now preparing my meal. That is I don't know, Mr. Shin Japanese ramen, and it is now almost 3 o'clock. Yeah, I finished today at 2 o'clock and it was raining. Yeah, I went through the rain and I was wet, and the black windbreaker that I am always using, it's wet. Yeah, but I was using this backpack And if you remember this backpack, I have this rain cover, and I use that, and yeah, it's dry, nice. We're just going to wait for this to be boiled, and then we're going to add this and this, and that will be my lunch. During my break time around 11:30 to 12 o'clock, I had just a cup of coffee. I put too much water, but it's still very tasty. I'm going to put some of this chicken. You know, the roasted chicken that I still have. I'm going to put a little. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we're going home now. We are rushing this time because it's going to rain. There's already a little droplets of water. I just ran into the series of broken glass. It's good that the tire is not punctured. Yeah, broken glass, you always notice, you know, the tiny broken glass, you always notice that along the highway. And this is how it is here at the moment. Yeah, quiet, but there are cars. For sure the people are walking along the beach. This morning I was wearing a rain trouser and rain jacket, but there is no rain. I wear that because last night was raining, also early in the morning, maybe around 4. When I wake up it was raining, but then when I was driving, no rain. Until now there is just a sprinkler. There are some people along the way. We need to ring the bell. One moment. Oh, look at my package. They just put it here. They're not even worried that someone will take it. So yeah, this is the package that I just again. This is similar to the one that was stolen. Yeah, what I like about this is one is very solid. This one, yeah, this is the one that I was using, but not good. Yeah, there's you hear the sound, right? Yo, it is now 4:30. I just cleaned the house. The floor is spot on. Oh, there is one. What is this? Yeah. So very clean floor. Amazing. That's alright. And I put that there back there. Yeah. And I am now preparing my meal. I'm very hungry now. Yeah, during my break time I had just a piece of croissant. Yeah, clean.